Loving each other deeply and authentically involves nurturing a strong emotional connection and mutual respect. Here are some key principles to foster love in a relationship. Communication. Open and honest communication is essential. Share your thoughts, feelings, and needs openly with your partner and listen actively to theirs. Effective communication builds understanding and strengthens emotional bonds. Empathy. Try to understand your partner's perspective and emotions, even if you don't agree with them. Empathy fosters compassion and helps create a supportive environment where both partners feel understood and valued. Respect. Treat each other with kindness, respect, and consideration. Respect each other's boundaries, opinions, and individuality. Show appreciation for each other's strengths and efforts. Quality time. Spend meaningful time together regularly. This could involve shared activities, conversations, or simply being present with each other. Quality time strengthens emotional intimacy and connection. Support. Be there for each other during both good times and challenging times. Offer encouragement, comfort, and assistance when needed. Supportive relationships create a sense of security and trust. Compromise relationships involve give and take. Be willing to compromise and find solutions that work for both partners. This demonstrates flexibility and a commitment to mutual happiness. Affection. Show affection through physical touch, words of affirmation, and small gestures of love. Expressing love regularly helps maintain intimacy and strengthens the emotional bond between partners. Forgiveness. No relationship is perfect and conflicts may arise. Practice forgiveness and let go of resentment or grudges. Work through disagreements constructively and strive to understand each other's perspectives. Shared goals and values. Identify common goals, interests, and values that you both cherish. Working towards shared aspirations can deepen your connection and provide a sense of purpose in your relationship. Continuous effort. Love is a dynamic process that requires ongoing effort and investment from both partners. Make a conscious effort to prioritize your relationship, nurture your connection, and show appreciation for each other daily. Remember that every relationship is unique, and it's important to cultivate love in a way that resonates with both partners. Building a strong foundation of love takes time, patience, and commitment, but the rewards of a deep and fulfilling relationship are invaluable.